It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Hello my babies, you're here again with me, Baby. Welcome back to my channel. So October's over, November is almost over as well, but you know, better late than never. I did say that I got myself some birthday gifts to self, and this is the second one. If you watched the first one, cool. I've been using that bag a lot. You can watch it over here. If you're already a subscriber here, welcome back. If you are not, then go ahead and click the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss out on any more of my unboxing videos. Seriously, this has been on my ledge for quite a while because I haven't found the time to unbox it. Things have been so hectic. Obviously, you already know what this is because it is in the title, duh. This is the first time that I'm actually going to look at it properly, and so I wanted to do this feeling unboxing experience with you guys. Let's do this together. This bag has been on my wish list for the longest time. Vloggers from abroad, vloggers from here, everybody's trying to get one. Funny story, I thought someone was actually using my credit card because I got like a prompt on my email that I bought a NANO SPEEDY from Louis Vuitton, and I was like, I'm just at home, who's using my card? And so I texted my husband. I was like, babe, someone bought a NANO SPEEDY, and he was like, and that's when I knew that he bought it for me. When it comes to Louis Vuitton, you kind of have a record, and then he put my name, and so they texted me. It was a whole thing. Our surprise was sort of ruined, but it was an amazing surprise still, because obviously when I got it, I was just like, your orange Louis Vuitton paper bag, a little bit textured, and of course you've got your blue handles over here in a type of ribbon. And well, because it was a present, it did come with a card, but you know, my husband, he actually wrote the sweetest message, guys. Check it out. It doesn't say anything. Anyway, so let's remove that gift ribbon and gift card. It's just like a straightforward box. Your regular beige dust bag from Louis. And here we go. Bam! Oh my goodness. It is the cutest little bag. Here it is, you guys. My very first Louis Vuitton NANO SPEEDY. Let's do a 360. So many 360. So this is your classic NANO SPEEDY in the monogram print. I'm a little bit afraid to use it because of this leather. Please let me know in the comment section how you dealt with your vachetta. Did you use Colonel? Anyway, let's take a closer look. We do have our canvas, and it kind of goes from here all the way till here. So the other side, actually, the LV logos are like inverted, but you know, that's really how it is. Basically, it is your Speedy design, but really tiny. See that? It's just like my hand. Details are amazing. Look at this tiny handle. It is small, but my hand fits through it, but I don't think I'm really gonna do that. We got a very nice and clean stock over here. The gold hardware is so shiny. You have little Louis Vuittons engraved over here as well. How adorable. And your zipper is looking mighty fine. Once you open it up, you do have your strap over here. It is once again in that vachetta leather that I am so afraid of. But check it out, the D-rings are looking beautiful. Once again, you have your little Louis Vuitton written over there. Very nice detail. So you've got this like yellow stitching going on. I think that makes it look a little young and edgy. And the straps are adjustable. I'm gonna keep it over there for now. If you can see the glazing, it's kind of this reddish orangish color. Inside the bag, we have our textile card and the QR code. So what I'll do now, I'm going to attach our straps and see how it looks like crossbody. I have been looking forward to this moment for like a month already. Alright, so this is what it looks like when worn. I did put it at like the longest attachment, if you can see over here. I guess this is as long as it's gonna get. I am 5'5" for reference, and I kind of have a long torso, so if you guys are taller than me, it's bound to look a little short. But if you are shorter than me, then I'm sure this will look pretty amazing. I am not mad at the length. I think it looks gorgeous. So even if my fit is kind of streetwear, cool, even with all of these silver chains, I still think this bag looks pretty sweet. And I think that is mainly because it is a very neutral color with the dark brown, with the kind of nude accents with the strap and the handle. Right now, it is super lightweight. It feels like literally nothing because there's nothing inside. And so we're gonna test it out. Let's put some stuff. So I'm just gonna do this standing up because it's already there and I'm lazy. I've got my very fat small wallet and that fits just right in here. It kind of takes up most of the space, but it works. With the wallet, it does feel a little bit weighty already, but not a weight that I would find problematic. It still feels pretty nice. Next, let's put in my Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. The Samsung fits. It was sort of like a Tetris moment right there, and so I don't think I'll be putting my phone inside this bag. So I'll probably wear this with pants or shorts, but as long as I have pockets to put my phone in, because the struggle of putting the phone in here is kind of not fun. And so without the phone, I can definitely put in my alcohol and my Carmex. I can't live without this one. And voila! Doesn't look overstuffed or anything. It's not heavy. Phone, I'm not really sure if I'm gonna be putting that in, but with just the wallet and the Carmex and the alcohol, it feels pretty good. I mean, that is the reason mainly why I did want this so badly, because I love the Speedy. My very first designer bag was actually a Speedy 35. It was so huge. So now that I have the Nano Speedy, it is just a dream come true, because I love this material. It is so lightweight and it's so durable. This coated canvas, come on, it's the best. I can definitely see myself wearing this with like every single outfit. Doesn't matter if it's girly or if it's something like this. This is gonna be an excellent grab and go. So here's the moment we've been waiting for. What is my rating? I give this a 10 over 10. Despite its small size and probably not being able to fit my cell phone, it is still a bag that I've wanted for so long. Like, I've lusted over. It totally meets my expectations. Like, honestly, I want to wear this tomorrow. I love this bag. It's just so fashion forward. It is such a nice twist on a classic. I wish this came in the damier ebin. So yeah, I have been stocking this bag in the store. I do know that we have leather ones, but I don't know, the print was just not calling me the same way that this does. The empreinte, I think the LV is just too gigantic for me. It wasn't really working, but honestly, I wanted this bag so much that I almost settled for that one, and I'm so glad that I didn't. So babe, thank you so much for finding it for me. Oh my god, I love you. Like, I love this bag. Anyway, I do have to start getting ready for my shoot in a while, and so I'm going to end this. I'm not really sure if I forgot anything, so please let me know in the comment section down below if I did, and if you have any questions or comments, yada yada yada. I'd love to hear from you. That's all the time we have for today. I'll see you guys again next time. Peace and love. Bye.